From base jacks to standards, locks to ledges, we design and manufacture exceptional scaffolding and formwork systems for every application. KHK Scaffolding and Formwork Ltd, LLC. From a humble beginning in 1991, KHK grew year after year, and in just less than 30 years has become the most advanced and the fastest growing scaffolding and formwork establishment in the Middle East. KHK is a subsidiary of $200 million conglomerate Taurani Holdings Limited, Dubai, that has diverse business undertakings across the globe. Spread over 75,000 square meters of industrial land in AJMAN, UAE, KHK has spanned its customer base across 50 countries in GCC, Australia, America, Europe, Africa, and Southeast Asia.
Scaffolding and formwork is like a distinctive art that demands originality and uniqueness. We at KHK are always innovative, cost-effective, versatile, and timely managed.
KHK has been continually investing in technological advancement and strategic acquisitions to make foray into all emerging markets globally. From deepest mines to tallest skyscrapers, complex rig platforms to longest bridges, we design and manufacture over 54,000 metric tons of scaffolding and over 20,000 metric tons of formwork systems and solutions every year.
We address the future as the subject of the present. Therefore, every day, we take new steps to evolve and seize every opportunity to excel.
We produce efficient, reliable, safe and sound scaffolding and formwork products and systems in a multidisciplinary engineering environment. K-Ring Access Scaffold. It is a modular scaffolding with a wedge on-russet fixing for all access scaffold requirements. It enables to set up, use and undo work structure with ease. K-Lock Access is a multi-purpose scaffolding system for general access. The unique circular node point allows up to 4 components to be connected in one fastening action. K-Lock Slab Formwork. It comprises of all steel components of cup lock scaffolding systems. It is widely used for user-friendly operation, erection and disassembling. Tubes. In accordance with BS 1139 and EN 10219, we manufacture over 96,000 metric tons of mild steel tubes a year, ranging from 1/2 inch to 6 inch, using the highest quality hot-rolled coils. Props. In accordance with BS 4074 1982 and BS 5507 Part 3 1982, we specialize in manufacture of BS props, trench struts, and heavy and light-duty props, frames. Our commonly designed and manufactured frames are Italian, double ladder, single ladder, BT frames for general access purpose. Wall formwork is extremely low weight, simple handling and minimal use of system components makes it most sought after by building contractors and infrastructure developers. EN props. Made of high-quality steel, EN props are highly adjustable, used individually or together with fork heads and tripods as temporary support for various construction applications with timber or aluminium beams. K-Stage Slab Formwork. It replaces the primary and secondary timber in soffit support and provides a flat support grid for steel decking and infill beams with plywood. 4 integrated mild steel tube and pipe manufacturing lines reinforce our scaffolding production, followed by impeccable machine processing that includes CNC tube cutting, shearing, drilling and welding. We are equipped with robotic welding equipment to carry out the most complex welding jobs with the highest speed and spotless finish.
Team energy, technological innovations, market challenges, and customer safety. These are the things that drive us to meet the escalating demands of the market.
We supply our scaffolding products in galvanized, electroplated, painted and powder-coated finishes. Galvanized. Equipped with in-house scaffolding hot dip galvanizing and mild steel tube hot dip galvanizing lines, we galvanize over 75,000 metric tons of steel products every year. Electroplated. Our experts, to supplement our product line, elegantly electroplate scaffolding components to suit the customer needs. Painted. With 2 painting lines, our scaffolding products are supplied in unique KHK yellow color. However, we can paint our components and products in red, blue, green, or any custom color as market demands. Powder coated. We are the only scaffolding company in the Middle East with an automatic powder coating plant to provide scratch-proof powder coated scaffolding components and systems to the industry. For aluminium scaffolding, we are equipped with an in-house state-of-the-art extrusion plant with an annual capacity of over 10,000 metric tons. We produce profiles in round, square, rectangular and oval shapes, in addition to extruding profiles in any shape or size to meet the market demands. We are the only scaffolding company in the Middle East that is equipped with robotic welding equipment and plant for welding of aluminium panels. As an ISO 9001 company, we adhere to the most stringent quality standards at all levels of our operation, be it the gauge, the cut, the drill, the finish, or the weight, to ensure 100% safety and customer satisfaction. Our scaffolding components and products are packaged in smart bundles and dispatched through our own fleet of trucks and articulated trailers across the globe. We are amicably integrated with our global distribution centers in America, Prime Metal Corp, New York; Europe, Briscoe Scaffolding Limited, London; Australia, Winston Scaffolding Private Limited, South NSW 2136; Canada, AVAL Metal Resources Incorporated, Ontario, to cater to our customers across the globe most efficiently.
What the world needs tomorrow, we at KHK innovated today.
KHK Scaffolding and Formwork Ltd, LLC. Smart and sound scaffolding and formwork systems for every application.